TikTok Shop Affiliate Tutorial. Make $100 with TikTok Shop Affiliates. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about the affiliate program for TikTok Shop. Now there are two types of affiliate in TikTok. We will first talk about the TikTok Shop Affiliate and the normal affiliate program. The normal affiliate program is just a bonus of today's video. So we will be focusing on the TikTok Shop Affiliate. So let's get started. The TikTok Shop Affiliates allows you to connect creators and sellers together. They will be able to be connected through creativity and commission. New marketing channels for brands and new monetization opportunities will be provided for different types of creators. Let's go explore the different information that we would need to know, or everything we will be able to know about the affiliate program that is related to the TikTok Shop. Now, there are two versions of this. We have the version for sellers and the version for creators. For the sellers, they will be able to link up with different creators and pay a commission sale or a commission whenever you made a successful sale from their promotion. And for the creator, they will be the one who promotes a brand that are relevant to your followers. So basically, for the seller, you will be the one, or this is for people who have their store in TikTok Shop set up. And for the creators, this is your typical content creator influencer, wherein they will be the one promoting the product. It depends on their strategy on how they promote it. But once they are able to successfully sell a product through that promotion that they have done, you will be able to earn as a seller and earn as a creator as well. These two persons or these two elements or characters over here will be able to work together to start earning a lot of money. Moving down, this is the affiliate for the seller. You will be able to link up with the right creators for your brand. You will be able to monitor how well creators are selling your products, and the commission will be automatically paid as a percentage of sales. So if you sell a product, if you manage to sell a product, you will not be able to get the entire amount of sales. So for example, the product is $50 and someone paid for it. You will not receive the whole $50 because a percentage, depending on your interaction with your content creator, a percentage will be set to them. So for example, the percentage is 10%, you will be able to get like 5% or $5 off the $50. And you don't need to do any calculation anymore. It will automatically be paid, so you don't have to do some manual labor or manual calculations. Now for the affiliate for creators, they will be able to easily find products to sell. They will recommend products in videos and live stream, but it depends on their style on how they will be able to promote the product. You're going to have to trust them on the way they promote your product. You're going to have to communicate with them as well. I suggest that if they created a video, I suggest that you ask them to send it to you so that you could quality check it as well to make sure that they're not creating bad feedback or negative feedback about your product. And they will be able to get some commissions on your sales as well, like what we explained over here on how it would work. And there are different sets of commission plans depending on the type of user. For the seller, there is this something called shop plan, where they will be able to quickly set a basic flat commission rate for all products. So for example, you could say 5% commission rate. They will also be able to open a plan where you could create a special plan for a particular product open to all creators. For example, you have a specific product that has a higher percentage of commission rate if you want. And there's also a targeted plan where you would look for a particular creator. You would invite a specific calculator or creator to promote your selected product. For the creator, they will be able to find products that speak to your followers. They will be able to get samples where they could ask the seller to give them samples of a product that they would like to promote. For example, you are promoting a fitness equipment. Then you could ask the seller to send you a sample of that fitness equipment. Then they will be able to demonstrate how to use it, promote how to use it, and even explain some benefits of when a user or a person is using such product. And to be able to properly promote a specific product, having a sample will be very useful and very helpful for the side of the creator as well, because buying a specific product to promote will most likely cost more than promoting the product. Because in promoting the product, it's not 100% guarantee, and they will be able to earn, of course, but they will earn a lot of money due time or after a while. It's not something that will happen overnight. So buying a product to promote it is a bit unlikely and a bit bad for the side of the creator, because they will have to spend. So getting a sample is very good as well. And they will be able to sell your products by creatively introducing the products to your followers. Scrolling down, and you will be able to sell or join the TikTok Shop affiliate by simply log into your Shop Seller Center. This is for the seller, by the way. Click on the affiliate marketing button at the top and create an affiliate plan based on your needs. For the creators, almost similar. You will have to get permission to sell your product, add your contact information, add products to your showcase, and get samples and sell your product. You're going to have to wait for the sample before you could actually promote it, because you can't promote a product without having the product to promote. And that's basically the simple way of how the TikTok Shop affiliate works. To apply to it, simply click on the apply option over here at the bottom. Where is it? There we go. This get started button over here, and you will be able to select which portal you wish to log into. For example, the Asia seller over here, if you want to be a global seller, if you're registered as a TikTok Shop seller from global, or a Philippine seller, for example, click on enter. It depends on which one you are registered to, and you're going to have to log into your TikTok Shop account. Now, the process for the seller and the creator is different, because as you can see, the step 1 and the step 1 for creator is different. But that is the process. The more you promote, the more you will earn. The more you sell, the more you will earn as well. And this is a collaboration between seller and creators. So the better the creator is, the more you will be able to earn money as a seller as well. And you will be able to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars if you are able to collaborate well with your creators, and if you treat them well, send them good quality samples, and they will be able to create good quality promotional videos because of your good outputs as well. And there's also another affiliate program for business. As you can see here, there are a lot of people using the affiliate for TikTok, and a lot of people are applying it. And people who should apply are digital marketing experts, people who have the ability to reach large audience, and TikTok Ads Manager users as well. And for the TikTok for business, how does it work? The affiliate program allows affiliate to earn commission when they drive new users to use TikTok for business. All affiliate must apply and join the program through Impact. How can I share my affiliate links? You will be able to choose to promote TikTok for business is up to you. So the way you promote it depends on how you would like to do it. You could promote it through websites or blogs, through Facebook, through YouTube, to Instagram, through other platforms. And how do you receive payment for this one? You will be able to have a commissionable conversion that are captured in real time and will reflect on your Impact Publisher account. It is a very similar process with the TikTok Shop. Although for the TikTok Shop, this is more of a single user or a smaller level of a user, like a simple content creator, an influencer, but this one is for businesses. And that's basically how TikTok Shop affiliate works. The way you promote it, depending on if you're a seller or a creator, of course, the process will be different. The seller typically stands at the back and handles the back end part of the selling, while the creators are the face of your products. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.